Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can layer like a pro on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Dress to Impress and I'm going to give you tips in layering. I'm going to use non-VIP items. So for you who's not a VIP user, you can follow this tutorial. Okay, I'm going to grab the skirt and I'm going to apply pattern to the skirt. I'm going to apply pattern to all part of the skirt. And tips for layering like a pro is using the same color or same pattern so it will look seamless. Okay, and then I'm going to grab this one as well, just this part, and I'm going to apply the same pattern. Okay, and then I'm going to grab this outfit. I'm going to apply same pattern and I'm going to apply this skirt as well. Oops, wait. I'm going to tap on the skirt and I'm going to change the toggle. I'm just going to choose only ribbon. Okay, and I'm going to change the color. I'm going to choose a matching color with my dress. I'm going to go to the palette and I'm going to choose this color. Or maybe this one. Oops, no. Okay, this one, but I'm going to make it darker. Okay, and I'm going to apply this skirt as well. I'm going to layer it with my dress. Oops, sorry. I grabbed droppy accidentally. Okay, and I'm going to change the color. I'm going to go to the pattern. I'm going to apply pattern. I'm going to apply same pattern. Okay, and this is the final result. As you can see, that the layer looks seamless and it's really beautiful. Okay guys, and that's all the way to layer like a pro on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!